In this clip, we'll look at advanced searches when using the Queensland Family History Society data search application. In particular, we'll look at the use of wildcard characters and keyword searches. In addition to this clip, you can find out more information about these features through the inbuilt help provided in the data search application. When we enter text in a field, it may include wildcards. These are just ordinary characters which are given a special meaning. A question mark stands for a single character, an asterisk for one or more characters, or no characters at all. For example, LE followed by a question mark in the surname field results in a number of combinations of three-letter surnames. But if we replace the question mark with an asterisk, we produce a result with a lot more surnames and hence records. In an earlier clip, we were searching for James Smith and used the Anywhere in Field Match option to make sure we found all of the records with James somewhere in the Given Names field. This gave us combinations where James was not always used at the beginning of the field. Wildcards can be used instead of changing the matching criteria for the field. *James* will give us the same result. In some database tables, the data entered in a field may be complicated. In this particular table, the Given Names field has been used to store information relating to partnerships, indicated by the use of brackets. We can use wildcard characters to locate such records. If we knew that there was a partnership involving the surname Oliver, we could enter bracket *Oliver bracket in the search field. You'll notice that a separate record has been entered for each partner. Wildcards can be used to get some complicated results. For example, to allow for the variations of Johnson, Johnston and Johnstone, you can enter the surname as Johns *ON*. If we scroll through the resulting records, we can see the three combinations. Wildcards permit inexact searches to be made. For example, if a person's surname is known but only the first letter of their given name is available, then a wildcard search can be used to return all available variations. Such a search could be useful in determining the person's given name. Wildcards are also very useful for picking up variations on spelling due to transcription or recording errors. More complex forms of wildcard searching are supported. You can find out further information about this in the Help section included in the application. Please note, using wildcard characters will slow down the search. QFHSdatasearch allows searches for specific words known as keywords in any database field. Keyword search mode is activated by clicking the K button whilst in field search mode. To return to searching on fields, use the Switch to Field Search button, F. Searching on keywords allows you to select records which contain specified keywords regardless of the fields on which they occur. Up to 4 keywords can be specified. Records which include all specified keywords will be selected if the and/or box is ticked, but any of the keywords if the and/or box remains unticked. For example, if you wish your selected records to include all those in the collection with both James and Johnston, enter James as one keyword, Johnston as the second, and ensure that the and/or box is ticked. There are a number of factors which determine how long the search will take. These factors, along with other useful information, will be dealt with in the next clip. If you turn diacritics on, then wildcards can also be used with keyword searches. As we have seen in earlier clips, some of the tables in data search databases use coded fields. Often the coded field will not be available for a field search. Checking the codes used in the HC brands table, we can see that the codes included relate to the type of record. This is not one of the fields available for searching. The code R stands for registration. If the data collection includes coded fields, one word from the text associated with the code will be recognized in a keyword search. So if we're looking for a registration for the surname Adams in the Surratt area, we can enter registration, Adams and Surratt as keywords and tick the and/or option. The result is 3 records which seem to tell a story. If you need to use more than one word from the associated text, each will need to be treated as an individual keyword. The results returned by a keyword search are sorted by the options selected on the last field search screen before switching over to keyword searching. The results from the search will be the same whether you enter your text in uppercase, lowercase, or a mixture. You should take note that searching with keywords can take a lot longer to return a result. In the next clip, we'll look at some of the additional things worth knowing about how to use data search. In particular, we'll look at the things which have a direct effect on the speed of the search for useful records.